To add Razorpay to Odoo, begin by generating API keys in the Razorpay dashboard. This requires creating a webhook and configuring the payment method in Odoo, which enables the Razorpay payment provider. The process involves several steps: logging into the Razorpay dashboard, navigating to settings, and then API keys to generate new keys. Copy the keys and secret key values. Then proceed to settings and webhooks to create a new webhook. In the webhook text field, enter the Odoo database URL followed by the payment Razorpay webhook, and fill in the secret field with a password of your choice. After creating the webhook, go to Odoo and navigate to Invoicing, Configuration, Payment, Payment Providers, and Razorpay Checkout. Enter the key and secret key. Select the payment journal for recording transactions, and customize messages for different scenarios in the Messages tab. Finally, click Save and then publish the payment gateway. By following these steps, you can successfully add Razorpay to Odoo.